Hello to all of you in the United Kingdom. Are you ready to explore the vibrant Forex market? It truly is a fascinating yet challenging world. And finding the right broker can seem like finding a needle in a haystack. But don't worry. I'm here to help make your journey a bit easier. Today, I'm excited to introduce the top 5 Forex brokers in the UK. Each name has unique strengths, allowing you more flexibility in choosing a platform that suits your trading style. Exus. First up is Exus, a veteran broker since 2008. Based in Cyprus. Regulated by the FSA, FSC, CySEC, and FCA. Exus ensures a safe trading environment. With a variety of payment methods from bank transfers to cryptocurrencies, Exus offers maximum convenience, pleasing modern traders. Tickmill. Next. Tickmill is a reputable Forex and CFD trading platform established in 2014. Currently, Tickmill is among the top brokers in the market. It is licensed and regulated by reputable authorities such as the FCA, UK, CySEC, Cyprus, and FSCA, South Africa. Tickmill stands out for its diverse range of account types, suitable for everyone from beginners to professional traders. Their trading tools, analysis, and risk management are quite robust, enabling more effective trading. Additionally, Tickmill's 24/7 customer support team is highly professional. Trading conditions like low spreads, no commission fees, and leverage up to 1:500 are also very competitive. The MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms at Tickmill are stable and regularly updated. Overall, Tickmill is a considerable choice for Forex traders, with advantages in trading conditions and customer support services. BlackBull Markets. Third is BlackBull Markets, an impressive name launched in 2014 and based in New Zealand. Regulated by the FSA and FMA. This broker is renowned for its high security and credibility. When it comes to payment methods, BlackBull Markets truly impresses with a wide range of options from bank transfers to cryptocurrencies, giving you more flexibility than ever. OctaFX. Ranked 4th is OctaFX. Established in 2011 and based in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Managed by CySEC, FCA, and IFSA. OctaFX provides absolute peace of mind for its users. In terms of payment methods, OctaFX offers several convenient options such as bank transfers and e-wallets, making it very user-friendly. IC Markets. Last but not least, we have IC Markets, a broker from Sydney, Australia, operational since 2007, supported by prestigious organizations such as CySEC, FSA, ASIC, and SCB. IC Markets excels with high security and reliability. They provide a wide array of payment options, from bank cards to PayPal, making deposits and withdrawals easy. Forex is not a one-size-fits-all market, each broker has its unique features. The key is to find a platform that truly fits your trading style and needs. I hope this video has given you a clearer view of the top Forex brokers in the UK. If you have any questions or further inquiries, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And don't forget, if you find this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content in the future. Thank you for watching, and I wish you successful trading.